We've now got you on ABC13 Weather Watch for this afternoon and this evening. And I'm Chief Meteorologist Travis Herzog with your Need to Know weather. The Storm Prediction Center has upgraded our risk for severe storms, and it looks like they'll be of the homegrown variety. Meanwhile, in West Texas, we'll also watch a line of severe storms develop there this evening and then move our way for tomorrow morning. But they should be in a weakened state when they reach us. But this afternoon, this evening, we could be looking at some isolated severe thunderstorms as a cluster of stormy weather develops right in the vicinity of Houston and the I-10 corridor. So the Storm Prediction Center has upgraded us from a level 1 to a level 2 risk, which means there's about a 15% chance you'll be near a severe storm. I think the greatest concern here will be for damaging downburst winds over 60 miles per hour. There could also be some large hail and heavy rain that could lead to street flooding. We also cannot completely rule out a brief tornado on the lower end of the EF scale. So I want you to stay weather aware, especially between 3 and 5 p.m. as those storms first begin to erupt in the vicinity of Houston. And we are looking at where those storms first develop. That's where they're most likely to produce some severe hail and throw down some gusty winds. And they'll be pretty slow movers. So I do think that street flooding will be the primary thing that folks experience with these storms, in addition to some momentary power outages with all the lightning that should come out of them. There's a lot of unstable air that sits west of Houston as well. So as we journey deeper into the evening, I think those storms will build westward towards San Antonio along the I-10 corridor. And then overnight, our attention will turn to what's coming in from the west as that round of severe storms in West Texas moves into the hill country and crosses I-35 around daybreak. So I do expect eventually we'll be impacted by those storms as we approach the middle of the day. And really, this is the beginning of a stormy weather pattern for the rest of this week. An upper level low is going to change the upper level winds over the state, and they're just going to circulate around disturbances over and over with a lot of moisture to work with. So this will keep our rain chances pretty high. And notice that upper low is over the Panhandle on Wednesday, and by Friday, it's not even to Texarkana. So it's going to be slowly moving through the state, and that means some good soaking rains coming to drought-parched regions of Texas. The greatest risk of heavy rainfall over the next 5 days is going to be along the I-20 corridor southward from North Texas into the hill country. But here in Southeast Texas, most of us are going to pick up between 1 and 3 on average, and there will be isolated pockets that easily pick up over 4 inches of rain. But for today, we got you on the Weather Watch because of that severe and street flooding combination with the storms that do develop. Rain chances will climb once we get to the middle of the week and that upper low is spinning overhead, and it's going to be around and close enough in the neighborhood to keep us at least a small chance of showers and storms going into Father's Day weekend. The good news, if you don't like the hot weather we had yesterday when it hit 98, is we should stay far away from 100 with all the clouds and the rain around. That will keep our temperatures down as we journey through this week of June. I do hope you enjoy the rest of your Monday. Stay with us. We will keep you weather aware as we keep watching the weather for you.